I basically spent 5 years of my life when I was a teenager just obsessively studying YouTube, watching YouTube 10 hours a day, obsessing over it. Like if a video got 40 million views, figuring out why, and doing that just literally tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of times, to the point where, you know, I was basically just kind of a YouTube loser. And this was back when YouTube wasn't cool. No one in my entire school wanted to make content. I had no equipment.
In some of my videos, I've literally given away over $1 million. So a lot of people think that I just came up in a rich household and I'm a trust fund baby. I get called that a lot. In reality, my mom was in the military. She was a single mom and she worked a lot.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? I basically did YouTube videos for years without making any money. When I first started, the videos were horrible, and then they slowly got less and less horrible throughout the years. Even then, when I was making money the first few years, it was nothing. It was scraps.
How a college dropout turned to be a YouTube billionaire. How he maintained his privacy. And was his life ever put in danger? This is the life, career, and education. And of course, the rise of Mr. Beast. Jimmy Donaldson, aka Mr. Beast, is one of the most prominent and famous YouTube content creator. His name was become even more popular when he spoke during the last VidCon event, where he discussed his secrets of creating contents and when he explained the YouTube algorithm in optimizing every videos being uploaded on the platform. This is a good opportunity for everyone, for every content creators, for every newcomers in this particular platform. So don't close this video, watch and try to digest all of his advice. This 2023, he is expected to be the first YouTube billionaire. This is the reason why he is still able to manage all his channels, because of the algorithm that YouTube is using, and of course, of his strategies and tactics. What is deep learning? Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to learn and make predictions from data. It is a type of algorithmic approach to building models that can learn to recognize patterns in large and complex datasets by using multiple layers of interconnected nodes. These neural networks are composed of layers of nodes, each of which is connected to the nodes in the previous and following layers. The nodes in the output layer receive the input data, while the nodes in the output layer produce the output predictions. The nodes in the intermediate layers are responsible for learning and processing the features and patterns in the data. Let's watch and listen. Mr. Beast will explain how deep learning works and how to do deep learning, because this is the algorithm that used by YouTube in optimizing all videos being uploaded in YouTube. Alright, how well do you know about him? His childhood, his education, and his family. Mr. Beast, whose real name is Jimmy Donaldson, his personal life was very private. Only his contents on YouTube are well known to the public and to his more than 130 million of subscribers around the world. He is not just a simple YouTube content creator, but also a well-known philanthropist. He became popular for his viral challenges in all of his contents, stunts that are more than just like in a movies, unbelievable contents and activities on YouTube, and of course having a generous donations to every charitable institutions. But who is Mr. Beast in real life? Was he able to secure his private life, his privacy? During one of his interviews, he recounted one instances that a man from Dubai or Middle East hired an investigator just to find him. And now, let's discuss how did he rose and become an inspiration to millions of content creators around the world. He has truly become one of the biggest names on YouTube today. His name is expected to become the first YouTube billionaire. Mr. Beast has a very smooth-going and cool personality. He is always wanted to become successful and popular in the whole world. That's how big his dream was. That's why when he got to know about the YouTube platform, he started making videos in 2012. Though it was not an easy start, and he has no ideas on how to grow his channel and how to attract the attention of viewers and subscribers. Day by day, he is very optimistic and just mastering the art of filming contents. He has so many sleepless nights just to watch YouTube and study the algorithm and continue creating contents for his channel. Until then, he starts having a tremendous numbers of subscribers. His main channel, named Mr. Beast, has now more than 134 million of subscribers. This channel was exactly 11 years old today, February 20, 2023. Because this channel was created last February 20, 2012. Over the past 11 years, this channel has now 22,687,799,333 views. Now let's discuss the channels that he maintained. Mr. Beast was created on February 20, 2012 with more than 134 million of subscribers. So far, there are 22,687,799,333 views. The second channel that he created was the Beast Reacts. Was created on April 25, 2016. And now it has 21.8 million subscribers. And there are 3,702,945 views. Mr. Beast Gaming, April 8, 2020, with 31.3 million subscribers and 5,500,636,706 views. And the last videos or channel that he created was Mr. Beast 2. Was created on August 22, 2020 with 19.5 million subscribers and 2,940,774,750 views. No wonder that he is benefiting so many things from his YouTube channel. There are also subscribers and beneficiaries who are benefiting in many ways. There is no doubt, because one of his channel alone is giving him a very lucrative and tremendous income. This is the reason why he is expected to be the first billionaire on YouTube. His YouTube channels contains a wide range of purpose, contents and activities from gaming, reactions, philanthropic initiative, and now benefiting huge potential for YouTube Shorts. Because of his popularity, he easily captured the attention of users around the world, and he can easily earn a considerable number of subscribers. He really doesn't need for an advertisement because followers from his other channels are also subscribing to his other channels. Mr. Beast Burger Food Chain. Mr. Beast ventured in a food business and named it as Beast Burger. It's a fast food chain that was opened last December 2022 in Wilson, North Carolina, and it was now expanded to other locations across the United States. The menu features a variety of burgers, chicken sandwiches, fries and drinks, and some unique offerings such as Beast-style burgers, which includes 2 beef patties, American cheese, pickles, diced onions, mayo, ketchup, and brown mustard. The chain is also offers a plant-based option called Beast-style Beyond Burger. One of the key features of the Beast Burger is its emphasis on sustainability and giving back to the community. The company uses eco-friendly packaging and donates a portion of its profits to various charitable institutions, including the Duke Children's Hospital and Health Center. His interview by Curiosity Team. He now comes the top spots for having the most numbers of subscribers around the world. Thus, his bank accounts do speak louder. He recounted when he was starting up with his channel. During an interview by the Curiosity Team, he said during that interview, "When I first started, the videos were horrible. And then, they slowly got less and less horrible throughout the years. Even then, when I was making money, the first few years, it was nothing. It was scraps. You grinned and you grinned and you grinned. Year after year after year after year. It does hit you. But I had more than reasons than just wanting to be famous or just wanting money." One of his channels has this description: "Do not email me asking for money. I give away money because it makes me happy." He explained during that interview, "We are not and we never have nobody blessed like us this. As selfish as it sounds, I like helping people because it just makes me happy. I like seeing their faces light up. I like seeing how excited they get." He has been associated with YouTube platforms for many years. As of February 20, 2023, for the last 11 years, he has achieved so many things in life, as an individual, and as a content creator, and as a philanthropist. Throughout the years, he has done a lot of hard work and left us out so many things that used to do by teenagers of his time. The YouTube star was born. Donald Son was born on May 7, 1998 in Wichita, Kansas, USA. He is now 24 years old and 7 months and 13 days as of this writing, February 20, 2023. He was born under the zodiac star Taurus. He was mainly raised alongside his older brother Charles C.J. Donaldson in Greenville, North Carolina. He is the oldest of the 3 siblings and grew up in a middle-class family. His parents, Jimmy Donaldson Sr. and his mother, Sue, are both nurses, and his father was also a businessman. Some information about his parents was not known because there is also information on the internet that his mother served in the military. Maybe this is intentional, as they want to maintain their private life. And we are so lucky enough to verify some information about his mother. He recounted during the interview about his personal and private life. He recalled in some of my videos, "I've literally given away over $1 million. A lot of people think that I just came up in a rich household and I'm just a fun baby. I get called a lot. My mom was in the military. She was a single mom, and she worked a lot. What's up guys? What's up guys? What's up guys? I basically did YouTube videos for years without making money. So far, that's the only confirmed information about his mother. His being a YouTube genius and secrets for his popularity. Alright, so this is now the secrets. Donaldson uploaded his first YouTube video in February 2012 at the age of 13. Under the handle MrVis6000, his early content ranged from Let's Plays, mainly focused on Minecraft and Call of Duty, Black Ops 2 videos estimating the wealth of other YouTubers, videos that offered tips to upcoming YouTube creators, and commentary on YouTube drama. Donaldson appeared only infrequently in these videos. In July 2013, the subscriber count of his channel named That Dude was around 240. In 2015 and 2016, Donaldson began to gain popularity with his worst intros on YouTube series poking fun at YouTube video introductions. By mid-2016, Donaldson had around 30,000 subscribers. In fall 2016, Donaldson dropped out of East Carolina University to pursue a full-time career as a YouTuber. His mother did not approve of this and made him move out of the family home. So this is the secret. If you have a dream, focus on it. If you love something, believe in the process. Work hard for that process. Believe in yourself. Be optimistic. No matter what happened. Just be consistent in all your dreams. Focus is the key. As his channel grew, Donaldson hired 4 childhood friends. This is the second secret. Chris Tyson, Chandler Halo, Garrett Ronalds, and Jake Franklin to contribute to his channel. They then contacted numerous YouTubers in order to obtain statistics of their successful videos and predicting the platform's recommendation system. Franklin left the crew in 2020. Afterwards, Carl Jacobs, previously the cameraman, was promoted to take his place. So, if you want to succeed as a content creator, you should hire someone to help you. You should hire somebody to be with you, to support you in all the things you love doing. Alright, so these are some of the secrets that he mentioned in his interview. Now let's discuss his education. Growing up, Jimmy was an average student who enjoyed playing video games and creating contents for his YouTube channel. He attended Greenville Christian Academy for high school and graduated in 2016. After high school, he enrolled at Greenville Technical College, but dropped out after just 1 semester to focus on his career in YouTube. Now, as a YouTube content creator, MrBeast began his YouTube career in 2012. To be exact, his first channel was created on February 20, 2012, and when he was 13 years old, 7 months and 13 days. Since he is a gamer, he started creating a Minecraft gameplay video and quickly gained followers. Since he's just enjoying his craft, he continued uploading videos out of his curiosity. He is gaining subscribers over time. He experienced big break on YouTube when he started created a video which became viral. The video is about the challenges and stunts that his channel really took off. In 2017, MrBeast made headlines when he uploaded a video titled "I Gave $100,000 to a Homeless Person." The video quickly went viral and helped to catapult MrBeast into the mainstream. Since then, MrBeast has become known for his outrageous stunts, such as spending 24 hours in a haunted house or giving away hundreds of thousands of dollars to strangers. He has also collaborated with other YouTube content creators. Alright, so this is the next strategy that he's doing for his channel. He has also collaborated with other YouTube content creators, including PewDiePie and Markiplier, and they amassed a massive numbers of subscribers. The other video that he uploaded that went viral came in 2014. He uploaded a video titled "I bought every advertisement on these websites," in which he spent $1,000 to buy up all the ad space on website called chess.com. The video was a huge success, garnering millions of views and establishing MrBeast as a rising star in world of YouTube. MrBeast as a philanthropy. MrBeast is also known for his philanthropic initiative and kind-hearted. He has donated millions of dollars to various charitable institutions, including St. Jude Children's Research Hospital and Arbor Day Foundation. In 2019, he launched the Team Trees campaign, which aimed to plant 20 million trees by the end of the year. The campaign was a massive success and they surpassed their goal, planting over 22 million trees. Now, his impact to many. His story is an inspiration to millions of people around the world, and we can't wait to see what he will do and can do next time. Over the years, MrBeast's contents evolved and expanded beyond just video games. He began experimenting with a variety of formats, including challenge videos, stunts, and philanthropic initiatives. He also started collaborating with other creators such as PewDiePie, Markiplier, and Jacksepticeye. Despite his immense success, MrBeast has remained humble and grounded, never forgetting his roots as a kid from Greenville with a passion for video games and a dream of making it big on the internet. This is the life or history of MrBeast.
When he was going through video ideas, it reminded me of someone who just, I can't remember if it was Dubai or somewhere in the Middle East. This guy hired a private investigator in North Carolina. I have no context to find me. And this is just something that happens. This happens a lot. So whenever people call local private investigators,